Got one last hill to conquer. It's a steep one. Over there was nothing compared to this. This is gonna be so steep. We made it down the hill. They got rid of the easy access site over there. They closed it off on the road. Haven't seen a single hole drilled, so I decided to drill one. And there's signs of life down there. There's weeds. Those ones may be dead, but it's at least life. And the water's clear here. Ooh. First drop. Got a minnow on the jig. We're probably like in 9 feet of water. 9 feet was the lucky depth at the other lake. Yeah, this is the only hole that's been drilled here. It like honestly looks like. So hopefully that means less pressure and more fish. The conditions are okay. Could be a little warmer. We're now in our second hole. Maybe like 10 yards away from the other one. A little shallower. Kind of the same type of deal. A lot more weeds around here. I think the plans changed. I think I'm gonna set up a shelter here to be like a nice like home base. And then I'll like set up some tip-ups, fish shallower into that bay, fish some wooded structure, fish deeper, go more towards the bay. Shelter is gonna be a nice place to warm up, get out of the wind. Though it's not crazy windy. I don't know, once it gets under like 25 degrees to the wind, you just start to feel it more. Set up a deep tip up out there. I don't know if you can see it. And you got a shallow one over there. But filming ice fishing is the most challenging type of filming I've ever done. Just because like ice fishing itself is so hard. Like hard in the sense of just you have to be so patient. And like, at least whenever I go ice fishing, I never know where I'm going to catch the fish. Because like, this is where I wanted to set up, but like I said, 30 feet that way could be the spot. And like really my goal is every time I go ice fishing is to catch 1 or 2 bass. Anything more than that, or pike. Anything more than that is like a dream. And then also the batteries die so fast. It's just like getting a nice little system. I mean, you want to get underwater camera footage, but it's like once you hunker down that thing, it's just a lot of steps, for real. Like it wouldn't be as bad. Checking that tip up. It wouldn't be as bad if the batteries didn't die fast. Like if I can go like, if I was able to go 30 minutes per GoPro battery out in the cold, it would be fine. Because then I think I have like 5 GoPro batteries. So then I get like an hour and a half of just GoPro footage. But yeah. Respect to anyone who gets premium ice fishing footage. Come on, let's get a fish on the underwater camera. Oh, hook the weed. There we go. Come on, let's just get 1 bass, 1 pike on this goddamn thing. The ice is totally popping or whatever. I'm fine with the ice popping when I'm not in a shanty. I don't know why, but it's just way sketchier when it's in a shanty. I don't know, this lake is like I'd say a 8 for 10 hit or miss. Like 8 times out of 10 it's a hit. Big time of day lake though. I think I've caught most of the fish between like 2 and 6. And it's, I think like 3:30 right now. So like they should be turning on if they're here. I can one of these tip ups like go up, bro. That would just be so nice. We're on a different lake. Hopefully we'll get redemption. That's where I caught the bass last time. Hopefully we could catch at least one bass today. That's all I want is one bass or one pike. We're all set up. I just need to get a bait in the water and then I'm ready. Yeah, this guy is dead as hell. Send him down there. I wonder if I should get more light in there. That's good. Come on, hopefully we can get on one. That would be so sick. Oh, and I'm already on the goddamn screen. And I'm already on the screen. This is perfect already. Oh, this is perfect. We just need a fish. Come by and eat it. Something just moved on the screen for sure. Okay, I think I see a bass tail. Oh, I most definitely see a bass. GoPro has one battery left. There's a marking on me. Big marking on me. I haven't identified what it is yet. Oh, there's a bass. There we go. Finally got a fish on the underwater camera. There we go. Finally. Yo, first bass on the underwater camera. Oh my gosh. That was sick. He wanted that thing so bad. Now we gotta get a good release. There we go. The amount of tribulations I had for this fish. What a nice little bass. What a nice bass. Could catch these all day. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that was so sick. First bass on the underwater camera. And I still have my minnow too. Let's go. That was so sick. Oh my gosh. It was so cool watching him eat that. Oh, there's a pike. Damn, he came in. He didn't even finish the job. I totally missed the video. Maybe the pike knew I wasn't recording, but a pike literally came in so fast and he didn't even hit it. Oh, there he is, he's back. I said he came back to show you guys I wasn't lying. He just popped right in front of the camera and was just like, nope, I'm still here. And look, he's right in front of the camera. He's like, I'm still here, don't forget about me. I'm still here. He just needs to eat it. Be a nice little pike. Eat it. Oh, what the hell was that? What in the monkey business was that? What in the goofy was... The thing was a chode. The thing was a bowling ball. What in the hell? Watch, right when I take a sip of this, he's gonna eat. Like, how are these tip-ups not going up? Once this marking leaves, I'm going to check. Come on, how do nobody want this? Look, he's right there again. They're just looking at it. Like, that's like just pike candy right there. How are there no pike or bass? There we go. Talk about a nice sized sunfish. We're gonna take a nice video of this guy. Oh! Well, that's one way to release them. I kind of have a feeling the bass and pike purposely turned off to let these panfish get comfortable. And once they get comfortable in the shallows, then they're gonna go hard on them. Because there's just no way. So when I first got here, there was like no bluegills. I was just seeing bass cruising. Saw that pike come by. Then the bass and pike turn off, and then the bluegills come in. You think they would get on that bite, warm up the hands, and then head out.